Hello. This question about finding the volume of this two geometric figure. One is called cone. The other one is called pyramid. Okay. So um, there is a um, base for each figure. The first one base is circular. You can see here, which cone has a circular base, and then for the pyramid has square base. You see 12, 12. That's a square base. So first question is find the volume of the cone formula. So volume of the cone formula is uh, pretty much area of the base uh, multiply by height and multiply by 1/3. That's the formula for the cone. Okay, so 1/3 pi r square h. For pyramid, the area going to be 1/3 again, and we multiply by base area, which b here is base area. Here, this area is b, and height is height of the pyramid. So every time you multiply by area of the base in to find the volume. So this is the base area. Remember that pi r square is also base area for this cone. So pi r square is base area here. Here b is the base area of this pyramid. Remember that b is L times b, length times width. B is also called, this b is also called width, which is 12, 12. So first question is, what's the area of the base of the cone? So base of the cone is a circle. So area of the circle is going to be pi r squared. So I'm going to do pi. Notice that pi is 3.14. What I'm going to do, 3.14 times r squared is, what's the r here? See, r is 9. 9 is squared. 9 to the power. Second is going to be 254.34. So I'm going to be 254.34. That's the area of the base of the cone, 54.34. So you round to two decimal places, we are good. Okay, so next question is, what's the area at the base of this pyramid? Remember that the base is the rectangular area, which is also here is square. 12 times 12, which is 144. You multiply length times width, 144. Remember that this is centimeter square is the unit for the area. So now to find the volume, what you have to do is you multiply the base area and the height and multiply by 1/3. So basically you do 1 divided by 3 times base area. We found it before, 254.34, 254.34 times height is, let's see, height is 25. Okay, or you can use this formula directly if you like, that's fine. So volume going to be 2119.50. Okay, so that's the volume of this cone. Now the volume of the pyramid is going to be again same story. You multiply area of the base, which is 144, times height here, and multiply by 1/3. Do the same thing, 1/3 times 144, which is area of the base, right? 144, and times height. Height is 19 times 19. So let's do times 19, which is 912. So 912 centimeter cube is the volume unit. Okay, that's how you do it. Let's submit the answer. So it should be good. Thank you for watching. Bye.